In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Reddit. Whether you're checking your favorite communities, joining new discussions, or just scrolling through your feed, logging in is the first step to getting the full Reddit experience. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire login process in a clear and simple way, and I'll also add tips to help you avoid common problems along the way. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Reddit website by typing reddit.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says log in. Go ahead and click on that. After you click login, a login window or page will appear. Here, Reddit gives you a few different ways to sign in. If you already created an account using your email and a password, you can simply enter those details. Type your username or email in the first field and your password in the second field. Make sure you type them carefully, paying attention to capital letters and any special characters in your password. If you originally signed up with a third-party service, like a major email or social login provider, you'll see buttons for those options as well. In that case, just select the same option you used when creating your account. For example, if you signed up using one of those services, click that button and a new window or prompt will guide you to confirm your account and permissions. Once you've selected how you want to log in and entered your details, follow the on-screen prompts. This might include clicking a login or continue button, solving a quick security check, or confirming your identity if Reddit needs extra verification. Just take a moment to read each message on the screen so you know exactly what it's asking you to do. If everything is correct, Reddit will load your home feed while you're logged in. You'll know you're successfully signed in when you see your profile icon and username at the top of the page instead of the login button. And that's it. You've logged into Reddit and you're ready to explore communities, post, comment, and customize your experience.